AviGo is Rentokil's latest product to be used in the fight to keep birds off buildings and monuments. It's a product unique to Rentokil that uses natural food grade ingredients to keep birds of all species away. AviGo is applied by one of our specially trained technicians to the surfaces where birds land and rest. It is a clear gel that is not visible to the public view and is not affected by either rain or sunshine. Although in some cases a primer must be applied before application to ensure full effectiveness. As birds land, the gel gets on their feet. As they take off and pull their legs in, the gel is then transferred to their bodies and produces an uncomfortable, tingling sensation. And because the gel is not a glue, birds are not impeded in any way from going about their normal lives. The birds soon learn to avoid places where this tingling sensation comes from, and typically it takes 5 to 7 days for a site to go from being busy to having no birds at all. Thanks to its effectiveness and the fact that it can't be seen, AviGo is ideal for usage on public monuments, listed buildings, and anywhere that is looking for a discreet solution to their bird problems. It can also be used on small surfaces such as window ledges. The benefits. It's an environmentally friendly solution thanks to the natural ingredients it uses. Proven effectiveness means that you can have confidence that it will keep the birds off your premises. It is safe to use on monuments and listed buildings because it is invisible and non-corrosive.